Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to find an Instagram account and in order for us to find an Instagram account or how to find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. And all we have to do is to launch our Instagram application, and all you have to do is to tap on the search bar, and let's say search for something like guitar, and here at guitar you're going to go to places, and from there let's say decide to choose any location here, and in here at any location you're going to get a picture of many people, and then once you've gotten the picture that has been posted, you are going to search according to the timeline of the post or search their name. So let's say that the person that I had searched my guitar on was this guy called Trees Porifia. It is like who search for this person, and as you can see, we are able to find them. And let's see the person that I actually wanted to see was this person, and from there I was able to find them just by searching for something that was close to them. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.